This video covers the unboxing, installation, and setup guide for the Apple TV 4K 3rd generation Wi-Fi. Let's start with unboxing. The Apple TV 4K 3rd generation Wi-Fi is a high-definition streaming device offering access to a variety of apps, games, and streaming services. It supports up to 4000 resolution with HDR high dynamic range and Dolby Vision for vibrant, detailed visuals and Dolby Atmos for immersive sound. This model includes Wi-Fi connectivity and a Siri Remote with a touch-enabled click pad for easy navigation and voice control. Powered by the A15 Bionic chip, it delivers excellent performance and energy efficiency, ideal for streaming, gaming, and multitasking. Carefully remove the packaging from the remote. An Apple TV, including the sides, and bottom. What's inside the box? Inside the box are Apple TV ports, Apple TV Siri Remote with descriptions of each button, how to charge the Apple TV Siri Remote. The remote requires a USB-C cable for charging, which is not included and is sold separately. How to connect the Apple TV to a TV. Connect the power cord to the Apple TV. Then, connect one end of the HDMI cable to the Apple TV. And the other end to an HDMI in port on your TV. To prepare for setup, plug the Apple TV and the TV itself into a power source. Setup diagram. A diagram shows the connections between the Apple TV and the TV. Setup. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. You'll see a video preview of what appears during the setup process. You can set up Apple TV with your iPhone or manually. Default apps. The default apps will appear on the screen after setup. Let's try to search. Control Center. To navigate to the Control Center, press and hold the TV at Home button on the Siri Remote. App Store. You can search for and download apps such as Netflix and YouTube to add to your installed apps. We also tried using Siri for voice commands. For more details, refer to the included documentation or visit the website. Lastly, we explored YouTube to check our channels.